Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to limit the maximum sound on your LG TV. So if you don't want to hear something super loud, or maybe someone keeps playing music and it's super loud, let's go to settings right here. And then go to settings up top. And wait for this to load and go to general. Then go to family settings. And we got some cool things under here like screen time usage. So if you want to lock the TV after a certain amount of time or whatever, you can do that right here. And then you can reset the password for that in the top right. And the default password is 0000. Once you have that typed in, you can just reset it to anything you want. But let's go to the volume limit mode right here, and then turn this on. It says watching TV at a high volume for a long time may damage your hearing. Turning on this feature will limit the volume to a maximum of 60 to protect your hearing. So you can just turn this on right here, and then it won't be extremely loud. So it says run volume limit mode right there. Then we can go back, and then we can also do the screen time report. So if we want to see how much the TV has been used, we have all that information right here. And then you can even break it down by applications or HDMI sources like my PS5. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixTech.